Uh-huh. Person is guilty of false reporting. Yes. Gives a false written or oral identification. Alleging, yes, that somebody committed a crime. Knowing that such identification of the alleged defendant is false. Yes. They know that I was not there, and identifying me on a traffic citation is a false police report. We're not going to let it go. I'm going to sue you and every cop in the United States. I wasn't in Squim. I wasn't in Jefferson County. And this idea that you're just going to refuse to enforce the laws. Now, there's a contempt of court. A person is guilty of contempt of court when he or she intentionally engages in disorderly, contemptuous, or insolent behavior toward the judge while holding the court, tending to impair its authority or to interrupt the due course of a trial, yes, or other judicial proceeding. That's one way to contempt court. Yes. Disobeys a lawful judgment, decree, order, or process of the court. Now, I could say that the sheriff's department is in contempt of court, yes, for having somebody serve me in the Sequim Public Library, yes, instead of the sheriff serving me, yes. You, as a sheriff's department, have contempted the actual court order because you did not serve me. Pope. Now, I could say that you have contempted a court, yes, when you didn't give me a dissolution of marriage after having the court hearing. Yes. There is the process of the court. The court. You have contempted the court. Now, refuses as a witness to appear. The petitioner petitioned the court. Yes, she did. She didn't appear. Yes. Because, as a witness to be sworn, yes, that there was some real reason why you needed to issue the 10-year protection order. Without lawful authority to answer a question. If you're not there in the court, yes, the actual judge, Brent Baisden, cannot ask you a question, so you cannot answer the question without lawful authority. Refuses, without lawful authority, to produce a record, document, or other object. Now, if a charging complaint, contempt of court filed by the city attorney, yes. Why don't you get me those city attorneys in every city of this state? Because I want the city attorneys to understand right now, it's not just your attorney oath. No, it's not the oath of admission. Yes. It's the thought that prosecuting attorneys are being employed and they're using the name of the state, yes, saying that they're representing the state. And these individuals as city attorneys right now are going to fucking prison. Now get me every attorney of every city of the United States of America. Because it looks to me, that you are refusing to prosecute those that are contempt of court. Now, let's look at it. Ms. Budnick, right now, somebody decided that they were going to issue a court order where they didn't require your appearance. No. They didn't require you to answer any questions. No. And then they didn't require that each protection order was only 1 year. Now, since I never spoke to my wife after she abducted my sons, yes, I did see her a couple times. Yes, once at a grocery store and once at a secondhand store. Yes, I never spoke to her and I never violated any of the restraint provisions. My record was expunged in 2012. Yes, Judge Rohrer. Did she tell you that I had no criminal record? I want you to understand something, Sheriff. Yes. Every fucking sheriff now will go to prison for 15 fucking years as accessories to the crime of hate crimes, racketeering, kidnapping. These are all federal offenses, Sheriff Bill Benedict. This is not a fucking joke. You just don't arbitrarily decide to arrest people. Bounce! Do you fucking understand? You don't go out of your way to put somebody in the can because you don't want to enforce the fucking law. Do you understand? Now, this idea that you're going to not just abuse your authority right now, that you're going to absolutely refuse to enforce the laws of the United motherfucking States right now. This state